kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. May Allah keep you safe and sound. Let's start our day with the name of Allah. Today we are going to do English, and as you know that we do sounds in English, and today we are going to learn a new sound. Are you excited about this? Yay! Today we will do B sound. Which sound? B. B sound. Okay? So let's sing a rhyme of the B sound. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Yes, one more time. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Excellent. Okay, let's see that what comes with the B sound. What is it? This is a butterfly, and the beginning sound of the butterfly is B. Yes. What is it? This is a bat. The beginning sound of the bat is also the B sound. This is a ball. Yay! Same like this. This is what? This is a ball. We used to play with the ball. Okay. What's the color of this ball? The color of this ball is pink. Okay, what is it? This is a boat. B is for boat. What is it? Bed. B, bed. And this is a balloon. B, balloon. Yay, balloon. Okay. What is it? This is a banana. It's a fruit. Okay. And this is what? This is a bus. B, bus. Yes. This is a box. The beginning sound of the box is B. B is for box. Yes. And look at this. What is it? This is a basketball. And the beginning sound of the basketball is also B. Let's start the formation of the B sound. Before that, let's revise our lines and the curves. This is the standing line, sleeping line, and this is the way we will make the slanting line, and we can make it in the opposite direction. And this is what? A curve. This is also a curve, and we can make a curve like this, and also like this. Yes. Okay, these lines and curves we will use for making the sounds. Let's start writing our B sound. This is the top line, middle line, and the bottom line. How we write the B sound? First, we will make a standing line. We will start writing from the top line. Okay, keep going on the dots and make a standing line. Cross the middle line and touch the bottom line. Go back on the same line and make a curve. Touch the middle line, and after that keep making curve and touch the bottom line. This is the way we will write the B sound. How we write it? We start writing from the top line and make a standing line and cross the middle line. After that, touch the bottom line. Go back on the same line and make a curve. Touch the middle line. Keep making curve, go on the dots and touch the bottom line. And stop. This is the way we will write the B sound. I hope you got all the formation and the objects related to the B sound. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.